Hello student, welcome back. This is your lesson first, globe of the maps. In this video we are going to describe the question answer in brief and question answer in detail. First of all, we will discuss the question answer in brief. What are the different way to represent the features of the earth? Answer is the various way to represent the feature of the earth are globes, maps, sketches and pictures. Question 2. What is a plan? A plan is a drawing of a small area on a large scale. Plans are made to understand the layout of the buildings, parks, hospitals, roads and public places also. Question 3. Define a scale. Answer is a scale is the most important element of a map. It helps to measure distances and calculate the areas. Question 4. What is the grid system? The grid system of the earth comprises of the network of the horizontal and vertical lines called latitude and longitude. Draw a grid system figure, page number 9. Answer in details. Question first. Distinguish between the map and globe. Globe and map. A globe is a three-dimensional sphere and a map is two-dimensional. The globe represents the whole earth, whereas a map may represent the whole earth or just a part of it. Globe. A globe can be used to get a broad level picture of the world. Map. While maps provide more specific information about different places. Globe. Large globes are difficult to handle. Map can be folded and handled easily. Globe. It is the most correct approximation of the earth. It is a representation of the earth on a flat surface drawn to scale. Question 3. Explain the significance of the maps. Answer is maps represent the real world on a much smaller scale. They help you travel from one location to another. Third, what are the advantages and disadvantages of the globe? Advantages and disadvantages. Globe is an actual representation of the earth. Disadvantage, a globe cannot provide detailed information as it is small in size. Advantage, a globe is mounted on the axis and rotates freely like the earth. Disadvantage, topographic details cannot be represented on a globe. A globe shows the grid system of the earth. It is difficult to have a key or legend for the globe. A globe can be used to get a broad level picture of the world. Large globes are difficult to handle. Question 4. How are the maps more advantageous than a globe? A map is easy to use the portable, whereas the globe is not. It is easier to identify regions in the map than in a globe. When taking of the accuracy of a globe is more accurate than a map. Question 5. What is the difference between a sketch and plan? A plan is a drawing of a small area on a large scale. Sketch. A map that is drawn without a scale is known as a sketch. Plan. It is a drawing to the scale. It is not drawing to the scale, it is a rough drawing. Plan. It tells us exactly things are on the ground. Sketch. It does not show the true shapes or size of the features. Plan. It is accurate representation of an area. Sketch. It is rough representation of an area. Question 6. Explain the different elements of map. Maps certain information of most maps will have the 5 things: a title, a legend, a grid, a compass, rows to indicate direction, and the scale. Title. It is written at the top of the map and it tells us what the map is about. Legend or key. A map legend or key is the visual explanation of the symbols used on the map. Grid. A grid is a network of evenly spaced horizontal and vertical lines used to identify location of a map. Compass rose. A drawing showing different directions on a map. It shows the 4 cardinal directions and their intermediate points. A scale. The scale of map is rotation of the distance on the map to the corresponding distance on the ground.